guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. Is your barbecue just barely holding on and you need to upgrade it for the big game? We got you covered. Monument Grills was founded by three good friends in Atlanta, Georgia that wanted high-quality, durable grills inspired by iconic monuments. The grills are created for the person who loves to cook and are built to last and to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. What I love is that they are the best quality grills for under $900. So check out the American gas grill experts at monumentgrills.com. I bet you'll love to cook on one like I do. Check out the new standard in outdoor cooking at monumentgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday on the next 2 hours of the Around the House show. Thinking about remodeling this year? Eric dives into remodeling costs and the potential value it adds to your home, inside and out. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast so you don't miss an episode.
Well, we've been talking kitchen remodeling cost versus value report. And the one thing we didn't talk about here that I skipped over that I shouldn't have is what's the cost recouped? And this is a big number here. And I just was, while we were at break, I was going, wait a minute. We didn't even talk about what the cost recoup was for those first ones. So that minor kitchen remodel, if you're just joining us, in New York City, that was at $30,923. Cost recouped 101.9%. Man, that is money back in your pocket. So as far as adding value to that, that's good money. The same thing in the Portland area, except it's 123% of the cost recoup. Well, we've been talking about our cost versus value today, and we were just talking doors and garage doors and stuff before we went out to break. And if you want to find out more about us, head to aroundthehouseonline.com. If you want to have any questions on this, message me here. But now we're going to talk composite deck. What happens when you want to do a composite deck edition? Let's talk about the details first, because that's all about that. We're going to add a 16 by 20 foot deck using pressure-treated joists supported by 4x4 posts, anchored in concrete piers, and we're going to install composite deck material. It's going to be really simple pattern, built-in bench planner. We're going to do stairs, maybe 3 steps to grade, really go through and do a complete railing system around it because it's up off the ground of the same composite material. So when you're looking out here in New York, what's the cost of that? All that and more on Saturdays Around the House Show with Eric G, heard on any podcast player. And don't forget, you could be listening to the show right now. If you were an Around the House insider, you would get the show 48 hours early. So Thursday, you could be checking out the brand new episode of Around the House. And you get all the back catalog, up to 1,000 episodes. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you on Saturday. Either way. And don't forget, we have a brand new episode of Around the House Northwest on Saturday. You can stream it at kptv.com and just look for the Around the House banner across the top of the page. Or you can stream it live on the KPTV Fox 12 app on any mobile device. As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you Saturday. Are you a contractor, landscaper, or small business owner? Are you tired of renting or pulling that worn-out trailer to the job site? Is that really the best look for your company? It's time to up your game and check out the trailers from Summit Trailer. If you want the highest quality trailer you can own, they are proudly made right here in Oregon with a dealer network all along the West Coast. What I love about my Summit Trailer is that it's a dump trailer that was designed to work. I can load it up without having to worry about if it's going to be able to lift the load, and it pulls like a dream. This was built to work. So it doesn't matter if you want a dump trailer like mine or a deck over flatbed, tilt bed, or utility trailer. They got a trailer that'll fit your needs. Invest in your business with something you'll feel proud of, pulling up to any job site or your next project. Check out the best trailer in the West at summittrailermfg.com. Check out the dealer locator and find your nearest dealer at summittrailermfg.com.